Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Today, we'll be speaking about public health. Just a little background on me. My name is Melu Prince, and I'm currently a graduate student at Hofstra University in their Masters of Public Health program. How I got into the program is that when I was working for Northwell Health in their Patient Access Services Department, I was on the OBGYN team, most particularly the maternal fetal health division, which dealt with high risk pregnancies and other complications a woman may have during her pregnancy. There, I was educated about how to better assist the patients. And after just taking calls and speaking that I'm speaking to my colleagues as well in the office, I just started to learn so much and I wanted to um, do things more in depth to be able to better assist our patients. And I saw an email one day with a flyer about Hofstra's public health program. I applied to it and was accepted to the program. And so far, it has been a great experience for me. I am currently a full-time student in my second year in the program, and the classes have been interesting as well as very informative, especially for the time that we are living in. What is public health? Public health promotes and protects the health of people and the communities where they live, learn, work, and play. It prevents people from getting sick or injured in the first place. It promotes wellness and encouraging healthy behaviors. And what we do in public health. We can go from conducting scientific research to educating about health. We work to track disease outbreaks, prevent injuries, and shed light on why some of us are more likely to suffer from poor health. We save money, improve our quality of life. We help children thrive and reduce human suffering. We spread the word about ways to stay healthy, and we give science-based solutions to problems. There are many jobs in the public health field. You can be a community planner, an epidemiologist, from scientists and researchers, public policy makers, public health physicians, public health nurses, as well as social workers. And a great example of a job in the field of public health is a public health physician. And we all know Dr. Anthony Fauci from everything that has happened over the past year with the COVID-19 pandemic. He is currently the director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, currently an advisor to President Joe Biden. And as a director, he oversees the extensive portfolio of basic and applied research to prevent, diagnose, and treat established infectious diseases. And some examples of this is tuberculosis, HIV/AIDS, COVID-19, as well as immune-related illnesses. And when it comes to public health, every year in the first week of April, the American Public Health Association has National Public Health Week. Okay? The American Public Health Association bring together communities across the United States to observe National Public Health Week. And this is to recognize the contributions and to highlight issues that are important to improving the health of our nation. Our daily themes for this year include rebuilding, advancing racial equity, strengthening community, galvanizing climate justice, constructing COVID-19 resilience, uplifting mental health and wellness, and elevating the essential and health workforce. I've provided a link here that will take you to a YouTube video that the American Public Health Association has that speaks more in depth about public health. And here at Hofstra University, our National Public Health Week takes place from April 5th to the 9th. Our theme this year is health equity. And health equity is where everyone has a fair and just opportunity to be as healthily as possible. To achieve this, we must remove obstacles to health and their consequences. Some obstacles to health include poverty, discrimination, and deep power imbalances. And because of this, the consequences are that there's a lack of access to good jobs with fair pay, quality education and housing, safe environments, and, and access to healthcare, and lack of access to healthcare. Sorry. Our keynote speaker for this year is Dr. Andrea Albruthus, and she is the Director of Health Equity at Nassau County Department of Health. All of the events here at Hofstra this year will be held virtually, and some program titles that we have are Health Equity, State of Hope, Reflections and Implications for Public Health, as well as Hofstra's Public Health Community Heeds the Call, Lessons Learned in Pandemic Response. And I've also provided a link that will take you directly to Hofstra's National Public Health Week page. There you can learn more about our speakers and the different events that we have and the time. And we hope that you will be able to join us. Thank you.